How to share summary of responses in Google Forms. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So I'm over here inside of this Google form. Now, this was just a test which I have done, and I have 6 responses over here. And when I click on these responses, I can see 2 types of summaries. So here I can see this chart where I can see a circle with different percentages, with different slices on how much they have chosen red, blue, and green because that was the first question. The second question is, what is your favorite animal? Now it will. This was an open question, so it will um, decide to make these type of charts. And yeah, so that is pretty much the different types of charts and summaries. Now there is actually a copy button, so we can copy the chart. So this pretty much summarizes the whole form, as we can see. So what I can now do is copy the chart, go to Google Docs, create a blank document. And here, what I can do is paste in the chart. So we can also add a link to the form or keep it unlinked. So that is up to you. But now we have added this over here. Now, if I go a little bit down below, we can also copy this chart over here as well, keep it linked. And there we go. We have now created a document with the summary in here. So now we can, here, it automatically selected that, to be honest, but it says forms response chart. Now we have it over here. What we can now do is, let's say we would like to share this, is here, click on the uh, arrow button or the share button actually. And then here we can share this with people if you fill in their email address, or if you just want to copy the link and send it to people, or if you want anybody to be able to see this, select it over here, copy the link, and then you can share this with others as well. So this is method number 1. Method number 2 is quite easy as well. So here we have responses. And if we click on there, we can see link to Sheets. So I already have Sheets open over here. We can link it with Sheets. So we can create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet if you have one already. But I'm going to create a new one. This will automatically open it up just like that. And here we can see a spreadsheet as well. And it will have the different questions as well, as you can see. And this will also be live updated when there will be new responses as well. So this is also another summary. So that is pretty much it. And then for sharing this is pretty much the same process. Here at the top right corner, we can see share. We can enter an email address over here or copy the link. Or if we select this to anyone with the link, this means that anyone on the internet with the link can view this summary. So that is pretty much it. That is how to share summary of responses in Google Forms.